The big mission with Defender 21 for us has been to deploy our battalion from the United States, logistically making sure that we can move everything into another theater, cross into Europe, moving first into Greece, and then deploying into Albania, making sure that logistically we can move everything and set up operations and start conducting missions. It's been going very good. We've been successful so far. We've made it all the way through. We're up to the final phase of our mission where we redeploy everything. So far we have been able to conduct more flight time, more training, both with ourselves and with some of the other units surrounding us that are participating in Defender 21 at the same time.
In our 8 days here at Frye Air Base, Albania, we've produced our 5 UH-60 Blackhawks 31 times, supported 15 missions, flown 74.4 hours and counting, because as we speak, our helicopters are redeploying from Frye Air Base, Albania to the port in Alexandroupolis, Greece. We've pumped 5,349 gallons of jet fuel, moved 103 passengers, 300 liters of water, 10 gallons of JP8, and 5 gallons of motor oil in support of the 16th Sustainment Brigade and the 53rd Infantry Brigade Combat Team and the Albanian Armed Forces.
Internal for our battalion, it's extremely important to conduct missions like this so that we can rehearse and be prepared for a deployment. We have people in positions that have never deployed before, and this gives you a chance to practice and exercise loading up all of our equipment, moving it, and setting up operations in a new theater without the stress of having to move into a combat environment. The greater picture for the state and for the rest of the Army is to build relations with other countries and have that rapport with everybody else so that when we move into these other areas, we're confident in our ability to interact with everyone.
The Albanians have been gracious hosts. Anything we've asked for, if they had it to give, they gave. Everything from air traffic control services to ground support to places to park our helicopters here at Frye Air Base. It's been a great opportunity.